Hello everyone, it is Tuesday, April 4th, and today we're going to be drawing a winner for our seed saving giveaway. The winner today is going to be getting 6 packets of seeds from Botanical Interests, and they'll also receive free enrollment in our online seed saving course. The seed saving course teaches you how to save seeds from all of the vegetables in your garden. You'll learn which vegetables can cross with each other, how vegetables are pollinated, and how to hand pollinate or prevent unwanted crossing from different kinds of vegetables as well as different varieties to keep all of your seeds pure for next year. You'll learn how to save seeds from biennials that don't make seeds normally until their second year. And you'll also learn how to harvest seeds and how to store them so that they'll last a long time. All right, so without further ado, let's get on to picking the winner here. And the winner is MJ Blake, who says, "My favorite seeds to grow are watermelons." We love watermelon too. All right, MJ, if you can send me a message on our blog, I'm going to put the link to that in the description to this video. So you can use the contact us feature there and send us your address, and then I will get these sent out to you. Congratulations, MJ.